Hi, I'm Darryl. During the summers, I help manage a luxury fishing lodge in Alaska. In the winters, I drive on Utah roads with my family. When planning an Alaskan adventure, you want to get the most bang for your buck. And at Pybus Point Lodge, we want our customers to get the most out of their travel dollars. At Pybus, the safe choice means calm water, great accommodations, world-class food, a variety of adventures, and an amazing staff to ensure the trip of a lifetime. When it comes to de-icing products in Utah, the safe choice means safe roads and saving lives. For me, that boils down to 5 factors. We need something that works at all temperatures. Utah storms have a wide variation with extreme colds. We want to use less product. With the right de-icing product, less is more. We need something that's better for our environment. In Utah, we love our beautiful mountains, our clean fish-filled streams, and our clean air. We also need a local supplier who has a stake and a vested interest in our Utah economy. And no one wants to waste money, but there's more cost than just the upfront price of a product. As Utahns, we have tough decisions we make every day, but deciding on the safety of our roads shouldn't be tough. There's too much at stake. Price is certainly a factor, but it shouldn't be the factor when it comes to keeping Utah roads safe.